You could spend a lifetime loving yourself, accepting the way you are, making amends, and so on and so forth. Falling in love with the actual you takes eternity. It is something you build slowly. Every scar teaches you patience. Every mistake teaches you kindness. It is not instant. It's definitely not. It is a journey you walk every day. On the other hand, hate can happen in a matter of seconds. One word, one moment, one memory, and suddenly everything feels heavy. It is loud, fast, and careless. At that moment, remind yourself, if love takes time, then I will give myself time because I deserve a lifetime of love, not a second of hate.